Greetings, YouTube. Mama Jenny here from Mama Jenny's Mexican Journey, and we continue our journey today. We're in Nayarit, and we're gonna have a trip to see what we can see. So come along, and we'll look around. Let's go. We're going down the seacoast, and we're going to a little town that is right on the water. It's beautiful. You'll see. Come on. The town is Aticama in Nayarit, Mexico. This area is made up of separate restaurants with their own individual take on seafood and entertainment. And you can choose the one that catches your eye or meets your needs. We chose this one with this view. Now we will see how this scene changes as we stayed at this restaurant for a meal and for relaxation at the end of it. From our vantage point, we could see this. Surfers looking for a wave. And found one. Let's drone up now and have a real good look around. sweet. I had a fantastic day in Aticama Nayarit, Mexico. Continue with me on my journey. Who knows where we'll end up next? Stay tuned. Thanks again. Bye. Or is it adios?